If you want to change icon size on Samsung Galaxy A27, what you can do is you can open Settings. Then over here in Settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit and go to Home Screen. Then in the home screen here, we have a simple slider which allows you to adjust the size of app icons. Now, the difference between these sizes is, well, not so big, but thankfully we have a couple of additional options that also have an impact on icon size. So for example, if you go to the home screen grid, you can of course change from 4x6 to 5x6 in order to make app icons slightly smaller. But of course, the difference is not really that big as well. But if you combine both of these things, then you can probably make a big of a difference. And also, we can change display size, which has an impact on pretty much everything that you have on the screen. But this includes icon size as well. So if you go to display settings, then over here we have the screen zoom, and then we can move left and right to change the display size, of course. And this also has an impact on icon sizes. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.